There will always be clients looking for the DIY method. The clients that are just looking for the most affordable route and they're willing or claim they're willing to print their photos themselves. And honestly, in my experience of over 10 years as a wedding and family photographer, a very small percentage of people that say they're going to do it themselves actually take the time to do it, which kills me. And the reason that they don't actually follow through with this is because of a few key things. When they have the digital files, that's basically just an insurance policy that they don't actually have to print them right now, because in their minds, the digitals are always there. So naturally, they put it off because there's no sense of urgency for them to put those photos in their home because just life gets in the way and they get busy. Or they wait so long to do either of the above that now their family has changed. Their kids are older, and they have a new baby or a new dog, and it's time for a new photo session. Essentially, the photos have already become outdated, and so it's just this vicious loop that starts all over again.